Criminal record. He has been known for criminal convictions. One big crime was spreading misinformation against a Muslim asylum alleging formers being perpetrator of mass stabbing of children in Southport. He has been charged with inciting hatred and violence. He has also been facing libel suits and contempt of court for spreading false information. He is also alleged of grooming gangs against opponents. His demands include actions and reviews against immigrants, anti-Islamic, and dissolution of parliament. He demands immigration policies be made strict. He gives his hard views against the Islamic ideology, claiming he is not against the Muslims as a whole. He also demands the elimination of the grooming gang consisting of Asians mostly. He advocates for free speech. He also demands protection of English culture and values. Why has started these protests? The time of these protests seems very questionable as the whole of the world, especially in Europe. Protests against Israel were brought staged with an unimaginable thousands of number of protesters. The US has managed to stop such protests by strict measures.